All right, we are gonna get onto some crypto stuff. So first we get to CryptoProhecy.com and you're checking out the control panel. So what you see right here is pretty exciting. Red. This color coding that I created is showing you light pink for first step up, medium for second step up, and red for like. That means it's like 3 steps up, so that typically at this point you're gonna see over here in the 1 hour change, you're gonna see some profit being made. 24-hour change and 7-day changes to the last aisle to the right. Now, I have it coded as red because here's the deal. Before you go and you think, oh, I'm gonna buy Tron, you need to know, look, there's 4.9% increase in the last 7 days. So just have a warning that that may be like, 3 stages up and someone may be taking profit on that. We just got through a really bare week, okay? So all this stuff was like dead green. So it's just now switching over. All right, so after I scan through this, just kind of figure, okay, what am I gonna really like zone in on tradingview.com to get my ducks in a row before I do some swing trading. So I look to see, all right, pinks, we have pinks. All right, they're up 0.45%. You want the beginning of a good wave. So we want to check out probably Bitcoin Ripple. I'm going to look towards the Radar, which is designed from a full-time trader for 30 years that does software for hedge fund companies. So it takes into consideration stochastics, velocity, MACD, and some other things that you really need to take into effect when you are trying to predict as much as you can in a very volatile, fast-changing marketplace. All right, so Ethereum, it looks like it's a little way up. I mean, not a lot. You got a few cents there from 105 on the recent dip to 105, $105.60 to $105.87. You can see there, but it's gone up 0.6% in the last hour, 0.2% in 24 hours, but it's still down for the 7-day challenge, right? So Tron, that's been going up. Really, that's a strongest wave so far. So Bitcoin SV still maybe went up like a dollar or so, 1.6%. Waves, that's amazing. Waves has had some really good movements. All right, so you kind of can see all these different ones: VeChain, Tezo, Bitcoin Gold, Ontology. Everything is like the beginning of potential upward swing because we had such a massive drop. All right, so I'm gonna kind of scan through this really quick. You can go back to that, and then I'm gonna click over to the Radar. So the Radar is designed for more of a, it's pairing with the stable coins right here. So you have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Ethereum with True USD and USD Tether. Now you have volatility, momentum, MACD, stochastics, and RSI that's being taken into consideration. That is triggering this crypto radar to say, all right, it's bullish. It's like, ooh, it's going. And then and then bearish means it's being sold. All right, so I stay away from the reds, and then the greens, I only jump in if I see it on, and then I go to my tradingview.com script overlays. Okay, so look at this: Litecoin BTC, Tron BTC, and EOS BTC. So let's skip over to this is my paid TradingView account. So here's EOS, but let's go Litecoin BTC. Now that radar is on 1 hour, so let's go to 1 hour. Oh my God, quite exciting. So we probably found that Litecoin is about to go up. You see this right here, the volatility is up, the stochastic is up, so it's about to get to that point where it's overbought, and then so the price is going to continue to go up. So this is an indicator, so we have a wave coming. All right, now I'm recording this, it's 10:32 p.m. and I'll hopefully edit it and get it onto Facebook really fast so you guys can check it out, maybe jump in on this wave. All right, so let's go back to that radar and see, go back up. All right, so our next one, especially when you have the plus here, that means like all the stars are aligned. Tron, BTC, VET, and EOS. So let's go look at Tron. So I'm in TradingView, I go TRON, BTC. Okay, that's not on, let's see. Tron, okay, yeah, there we go. Tron, BTC, it's TRX on Binance. Let's see, yep, So Tron, Bitcoin, but TRX on Binance, okay? Oop, there we go. Boom, right there. The bullish signal, the word hasn't popped up yet, but the radar showing, yep. Again, you have the volatility up, you've got the stochastics. It's not completely up, but it's going into that direction. And that's probably why we haven't had the trading view overlays hit bullish yet, but let's take it down to 45 minutes and see what that says. All right, still not, let's go 30 minutes. And what that means is each candle, there we go. On the 30-minute chart, it hit its first bullish. Very exciting. All right, and then let's go EOS, BTC. And here we go, EOS, BTC, and I'm going on Binance. All right, now that's the 30-minute chart, but if you like to trade on 4 hours, it hasn't hit the 4-hour mark yet, but let's look on the 1 hour. Even the 1 hour mark hasn't hit EOS as bullish, but when you go down, let's see how 45 minutes hit the first bullish. All right, before we jump off, I do want to make sure you guys understand this. On TradingView, one of the best parts of it is setting your alarms and your alerts. So I have a few alerts. This is what I'm watching now. A lot of times what I'm doing is I'm jumping in between the Binance coin and Tether and Bitcoin and Ethereum and Ethereum Classic and the stable coins. That way I'm purging my profits, I'm just riding the waves, and sometimes just sit and do nothing. And that is doing something. All right, and then down here you can see the alerts to where this would be triggered. So let's say you wanted to set an alert, you would right click, add an alert, and then this little handy dandy thing pops up, and you would say, all right, I want an alert to buy, and you would say click create. You could say you want it to be emailed to you or an SMS. So TradingView, I do have a paid account, but you could also just have a free account. Sometimes it's just annoying pop-ups that go poo, would you buy, upgrade this or that. And if you don't have like a paid account with TradingView, I think what it'll do is limit maybe the amount of screens you could have. So for instance, right now, I'm gonna shrink this. Okay, right now you have one screen on, but you could click here and be like, oh, okay, I wanna watch 2 coins at the same time. So in this box, I may say, I'll click there and say, okay, the 2 big dogs right now are EOS and Tron, so I'm gonna continuously look at Tron and EOS, right? So now I'm watching 2 markets at a time, and then you may say, oh man, that's not enough, because I wanna play in 4 different markets. So then you go back over here to your handy dandy little place, and you say, ooh la la, let's look at 4, okay? So we'll go back to that radar and see, okay, currently what's going on. Dude, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so Litecoin BTC is about to emerge. Tron, VET, we'll put VeChain in one, and we have EOS, and we have Tron, and we could do Bitcoin. Okay, so we'll go back to that. And this one, I'll say we have EOS, Tron, VeChain. So VeChain is VET, BTC. I'm sorry, so I'm going a little fast, but definitely if you guys want to jump on my webinar, I'll pop the link in soon so you can see it. All right, so here we have VeChain. Now click on it, and then you can also change like the time frame of what you're looking at. So I just clicked on the box. This is a 1 hour chart now. Right now, the indicators, look, the volatility is going up, the stochastic is going up, but on the 1 hour chart, it hasn't hit, and it's not saying bye-bye yet. However, if you go down and you zone in, and let's look at the 5-minute chart on VeChain, make sure it's highlighted, like, look, right there, it's about to say, it's like, yeah, there you go, the bullish just came in. So when I change the time frame on the chart, it's telling you how much time is on each of those candles. All right, so we have VeChain to the right, we have Tron to the left, we have EOS to the lower left. So now I said we do Bitcoin. So on the lower right here, I'm gonna change this to, I'll do a Bitcoin USDT. So BTC, actually, you know what? I'll do Bitcoin USD, and let's see if it's in Coinbase. All right, so for all you guys that are not on Binance or just on Coinbase, let's see what's going on there. So this is just using USD for Bitcoin, and that's a 45-minute chart. So it's You still have some volatilities going up, so that's good, but it's not hit on the 1 of the 45-minute chart saying not good to buy yet. There we go. It hit bullish right here at 22. Okay, I'm gonna stop this and send it out so you guys can see it. Isn't that beautiful? I love these overlays. I would not trade without them, so if you don't have them, I would say just wait, don't trade yet. Get the overlays. It's like such a peace of mind. It's designed with such tender care and love. And you can jump on the webinars with Joe and I and check them out. Okay, see you guys in a little bit. Bye.